How I Found My Dream Job Online. A Personal Journey. Navigating the labyrinth of the modern job market can be an overwhelming endeavor. With countless platforms, ever-evolving algorithms, and a sea of qualified candidates, the prospect of finding the perfect position might seem daunting. However, my recent experience has taught me that with the right approach and mindset, securing a dream job online is not only possible, but also an enriching journey of personal and professional growth. I would like to share my story of how I found my ideal job on the internet, hoping it might offer valuable insights to others embarking on a similar path. Realizing the need for change. For several years, I worked as a project coordinator at a mid-sized company. While the role provided stability, I felt a growing sense of stagnation. The lack of new challenges and limited opportunities for advancement led me to contemplate a career shift. I yearned for a position that aligned more closely with my passions and allowed me to make a meaningful impact. Recognizing that the digital landscape had transformed job hunting, I decided to harness the power of the internet to explore new horizons. Setting clear objectives. Before diving into the online job market, I knew it was essential to establish clear goals. I took time to reflect on my skills, interests, and the industries that excited me. I was particularly drawn to sustainable development and environmental advocacy, fields that resonated with my personal values. By defining my objectives, I could tailor my search and focus my efforts more effectively. Updating my digital presence. Understanding that a strong online presence is crucial in today's job market, I began by revamping my professional profiles. I updated my LinkedIn profile to reflect my latest experiences and aspirations, ensuring that it showcased not only my qualifications, but also my enthusiasm for sustainable initiatives. I added a professional photo, crafted a compelling headline, and included a summary that highlighted my career trajectory and future goals. Building a personal website. To further distinguish myself, I decided to create a personal website. This platform allowed me to delve deeper into my portfolio, share case studies of past projects, and publish articles on topics related to sustainability. The website served as a dynamic resume and demonstrated my commitment to continuous learning and thought leadership within the field. Diving into online job platforms. With my digital presence polished, I turned my attention to online job platforms. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn Jobs became daily destinations. I set up customized job alerts based on specific keywords such as sustainability coordinator, environmental project manager, and green initiatives. This approach ensured that I received notifications about relevant opportunities as soon as they were posted. Networking in the digital age. Recognizing the power of networking, I began to engage with professionals and organizations within my target industry. I joined LinkedIn groups focused on environmental issues and participated in discussions. By contributing thoughtfully, I connected with like-minded individuals and expanded my professional network. I also attended virtual conferences and webinars, which provided valuable insights and additional networking opportunities. Tailoring applications. When applying for positions, I understood the importance of customization. Each application was tailored to the specific role and company. I meticulously read job descriptions to identify key requirements and emphasized how my skills and experiences aligned with them. My cover letters were personalized, reflecting my genuine interest in the organization's mission and how I could contribute to their goals. Enhancing skills through online learning. To bolster my qualifications, I enrolled in online courses related to sustainability and project management. Platforms like Coursera and edX offered certifications that not only enhanced my knowledge, but also made my resume more competitive. This commitment to professional development demonstrated to potential employers my dedication to the field. Overcoming challenges. The process was not without its hurdles. I faced rejections and, in some cases, no responses at all. Initially, this was discouraging. However, I reframed these experiences as learning opportunities. I sought feedback whenever possible and used it to refine my approach. Patience and perseverance became my guiding principles. The breakthrough opportunity. After several months of diligent effort, I came across a posting for a sustainability program manager at a renowned nonprofit organization. The role was a perfect amalgamation of my project management experience and passion for environmental advocacy. Excited by the prospect, I devoted considerable time to researching the organization and understanding their current project. Preparing for the application. I reached out to a contact I had previously connected with on LinkedIn who worked at the organization. They graciously offered insights into the company culture and advised me on emphasizing certain aspects of my experience. Armed with this information, I crafted a compelling application that highlighted my relevant achievements and alignment with their mission. The interview process. I was thrilled to receive an invitation for an initial interview. Due to the global shift towards remote work, the interviews were conducted via video conferencing platforms. To prepare, I revisited common interview questions and practiced articulating my experiences confidently. I also prepared thoughtful questions to ask the interviewers, demonstrating my genuine interest in the role. The interview process consisted of multiple rounds, including meetings with potential team members and senior leadership. Each interaction reinforced my enthusiasm for the position. I was transparent about my motivations and provided concrete examples of how I could contribute to their initiatives. Receiving the offer. A few weeks after the final interview, I received a phone call extending a formal job offer. The moment was exhilarating. All the effort invested in refining my online presence, networking, and skill development had culminated in this opportunity. I accepted the offer with gratitude and excitement for the journey ahead. Reflections on the experience. Looking back, several key factors contributed to my successful job search. 1. Strategic planning. Setting clear objectives allowed me to focus my efforts and avoid the pitfalls of a scattered approach. 2. Proactive networking. Building relationships within the industry opened doors and provided invaluable insights. 3. Continuous learning. Enhancing my skills made me a more attractive candidate and demonstrated my commitment to the field. 4. Resilience. Maintaining a positive attitude despite setbacks kept me motivated throughout the process. 5. Personal branding. Presenting a cohesive and authentic personal brand helped me stand out in a crowded marketplace. Adapting to the new role. Transitioning into my new position was both challenging and rewarding. Working remotely required adaptability and strong communication skills. I made a concerted effort to build rapport with my colleagues through virtual meetings and collaborative projects. The organization's culture emphasized teamwork and innovation, which aligned well with my working style. Making an impact. In my role, I have the opportunity to lead initiatives that promote environmental sustainability and social responsibility. One of my first projects involved developing a community outreach program to educate local businesses on eco-friendly practices. Seeing the tangible impact of our work has been deeply fulfilling. Advice for others. For those embarking on their own job search journey, I offer the following advice. Be intentional. Clearly define what you are seeking in a role and target your search accordingly. Invest in yourself. Continuously develop your skills and knowledge to stay competitive. Leverage online tools. Utilize the plethora of online resources available for job hunting, networking, and learning. Stay resilient. Rejections are a natural part of the process. Use them as opportunities to grow and refine your approach. Authenticity matters. Be genuine in your interactions and let your passion shine through. The power of the Internet in job hunting. My experience underscores the transformative power of the Internet in modern job hunting. It has leveled the playing field, providing access to opportunities that might have been geographically or socially inaccessible in the past. However, it also requires job seekers to be strategic and proactive in how they present themselves and engage with potential employers. Embracing lifelong learning. One of the most significant takeaways from this journey is the importance of lifelong learning. The digital age is characterized by rapid change, and staying relevant necessitates a commitment to continual growth. Embracing new technologies and methodologies has not only enhanced my career prospects, but also enriched my personal development. Building a support system. Throughout this process, the support of friends, family, and professional contacts was invaluable. Sharing experiences, seeking advice, and celebrating small victories made the journey more manageable and enjoyable. Building a strong support system can provide encouragement and practical assistance when navigating the complexities of the job market.